House Texas is one of the newest variants in the poker game. It is one of the most popular games in all casinos.
Delton Casinos, where players become winners.
Today, let's learn how to play House Texas. House Texas is the variation of the classic game Texas Hold'em Poker. In the variation, you don't play against the players, but you play against the dealer. The objective of the game is to make the best possible 5-card poker hand with the 2 cards dealt to the player and the 5 community cards dealt on the table. In House Texas, we have several types of bet. They are ante. This is an initial bet. Flop. It's a bet placed only once the player sees his cards and wants to continue playing. This bet is twice the ante amount. Turn and river. Same as the ante bet, but they are optional. Jackpot. This bet is placed at the time of ante only if the player wants to. Bonus bet. This bet is placed at the time of ante only if the player wants to bet on this option. Let's now understand these betting options a little better with 2 of my favorite players, Princeton and Prima. Once the player places their bet, 2 cards are dealt face down to all the players. Upon receiving the cards, players can see their cards and make a decision whether they would like to continue playing the game or fold. If they choose to continue the game, a bet double, the ante, must be placed in the box mentioned as flop. In the event of a fold, the player will forfeit the ante bet and his or her cards will be removed. In this round, we all decide to continue playing and have placed our bets on flop. The dealer now moves on to dealing 3 cards face up on the table called flop. These cards are common or shared between players and the dealer. If the player wishes to continue the second betting round, they can now make a turn bet, equivalent to the ante bet, or choose check. Check means you do not wish to place additional bets, but will continue to play the game. We once again choose to bet on turn. The dealer then deals 1 card face up on the table as turn. The player is once again faced with 2 options. He either places a bet in the box mentioned as river or goes with check, which means you do not wish to place any additional bets, but will continue to play the game. Prima checks. Princeton and I bet on river. Dealer then deals 1 card face up on the table as a river card. Once all the cards have been dealt and all play bets are made, the dealer will take 2 cards for herself and reveal those cards. Dealer cards will then be compared to the player cards for the best 5-card hand. All the winning hands are paid according to the payouts. Dealer qualifies with a pair of 8s, followed by a 10, Jack, 6. I have a pair of 8s, 10, Jack, 9. So I win. Prima wins with a straight, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack. In this case, the ante also gets paid. Princeton has won with a 3 of a kind. He qualifies for a bonus which pays 3s to 1. If your hand beats the dealer's hand, flop, turn and river get paid 1:1 on your bet. Ante-bets are paid 1:1 for hands with a poker value of straight or higher. If the dealer hand beats your hand, all bets lose. If the final hands are a tie, all bets are a push. In House Texas, we have an option of jackpot bets. These are placed at the beginning of the game. In jackpot bets, payouts are made according to the strength of your hand. This is regardless of whether it beats the dealer's hand or not. Payouts are made right through the game. The minimum hand you need to get paid is a 4 of a kind. Royal flush. When you have a straight from a 10 to an ace with all 5 cards of the same suit, you have a royal flush. Straight flush. When you have a sequence with any 5 cards of the same suit, you have a straight flush. 4 of a kind. When you have any 4 cards of the same rank, you have a 4 of a kind. Full house. You have a full house when you have 3 of a kind with a pair. Flush. When you have 5 cards of the same suit but not in sequence, then you have a flush. Straight. When you have 5 cards in sequence but not of the same suit, then you have a straight. 2 pair. When you have any 2 cards of the same rank together with another 2 cards of the same rank, you have 2 pairs. 1 pair. As the name suggests, when you have a pair that is any 2 cards of the same rank, you have 1 pair. High card. When 5 cards are not in sequence and not of the same suit and do not have a pair or better rank, then the top ranked card is the high card. If you have bet on a bonus bet, bets are won according to the value of your cards, regardless of whether your hand beats the dealer's. The bets are paid for the 2 cards dealt to the player if they have the below. Pair of aces, 30:1. Ace and king suited, 25:1. Ace queen or ace jack suited, 20:1. Ace and king unsuited, 15:1. Pair of king, queen and jack, 10:1. Ace queen or ace jack unsuited, 5:1. Pair of tens, 3:1. It's now time for you to test your skills. We will catch you at the tables. See you.